platinum table where the president will be sitting is priced at 2 million rands. Gala dinners by their very nature, they finish after midnight. So if you have got an important program which will need your energy the next day, it's not advisable that you have a program the day before which exhausts you until after midnight. So if we have a gala dinner on a Friday or Saturday, it's definitely we're going to pass the midnight period, whether it's the speeches and the interactions and everything else, and then you still expect the same people to go and address a rally the next day. So we then took it differently, that let's attend the rally fresh, the entire leadership fresh, interact with our people, and then the rally is done around 5, 6 in the evening. We've got the whole night to rest, we've got the second day to rest as well. And then the gala dinner is held in the evening of Monday, when the leadership is again fresh to address a full fresh program, and can easily even cross over the midnight button, such that they don't have any other obligations organizationally the day after. So the logic that we got to apply in terms of the programming said that there was no advisability, none whatsoever, to hold a gala dinner a day before, because that was going to exhaust us in terms of what is happening. And there are, of course, people who have made commitments to buy the tables which are on offer. Platinum table where the president will be sitting is priced at 2 million rands. And there's an offer, a firm offer, which is not going to be turned back of someone who has said they're going to purchase that table to support Umkhonto season. And there's many other offers that are coming as well for the other tables that are on offer for the leadership. But of course, we still open for those who want to participate in the gala dinner of the soon-to-be government of this province, if not the whole of South Africa, Umkhonto Party. Thank you very much, National Spokesperson.